Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. When bàrà Méjì became king, the birth of smoke signals. bàrà Méjì was in a dire situation, so he went to the house of Òrúnmìlà to have Nsode performed. His own Odu appeared, and Òrúnmìlà advised him that he needed to make an abo using the clothes he was wearing. After completing the abo, he was to take the clothes to the wilderness and burn them. bàrà Méjì followed all of Òrúnmìlà's instructions. When he burned the clothes in the wilderness, the smoke drew the attention of people from the other world, who came to him and found him completely naked. Upon seeing him, they said, "Man of God, we do not know this world, but through that smoke signal, we have become aware of you, and we want you to be our guide." bàrà Méjì initially refused, citing the miserable state he was in. Then, the one who had spoken to him offered him a royal robe and a magnificent horse. Now adorned in his royal garments and mounted on his splendid horse, bàrà Méjì set off with a great entourage toward the city. As they approached its entrance, the city's governor was alerted about a great army approaching, with bàrà Méjì at the front, seemingly ready to invade. Fearing that he would lose the war, the governor surrendered everything he possessed, including the rulership of the city, to bàrà Méjì, thus making him the king of all those lands.